The VLS100 package includes: to get the best performance, please use a computer that meets the recommended specifications. Calibration is required when using the scanner for the first time. Every 15 days, the scanner has experienced vibration or impact. The scanned model shows abnormalities. How to calibrate. Connect the scanner handpiece to the calibration tool. Use the calibrator data cable to connect the calibration tool to the computer. Then connect the scanner handpiece to the computer via the scanner data cable. Double-quick click of the installed software app icon. Click Start Calibration. Wait for completion. Then separate the scanner from the calibration tool. Creating an order. In the order interface, you will see three main areas: order information, tooth position selection, and restoration options. After filling all details, click Save. Then click Scan. Enter the scanning interface and begin scanning. For more tutorials and product updates, follow Vsmile and stay connected.